Hey guys, it's Jen from My Create Crafts. Today I'm just going to do a quick update on these cute little egg containers that I made a few videos back. I'm not going to show you again how to make these, but again, if you go a few videos back, I show you exactly how to make these, where to buy them from, and how to get it on here. I made some SVGs myself, and I put them on here, and I gave these to a local store where she sells them for me here where I live, and within a couple of days, she sold out of them, and I have a back order for some now that I have to do. So I just wanted to do a quick video saying, if you guys have any way to create these with the Cricut or anything, go purchase these. They are amazing. They work really well. I use them in my refrigerator and my camper. They're just little egg containers. I just put some vinyl on it. I do have several more here that I have to cut. You probably can't see it, but they're all in here. They're all these SVGs that I have here. I'm going to use my light that I use all the time to get all the vinyl off. But again, just a quick video on an update on how these went. I did not think that they were going to sell that quick, but within a couple of days, they were sold out. So I'm going to be creating some more of these. Again, go back, look at my video. I'll leave the link below in case you want to see it, but I'm excited. I can't believe that they went. I think I gave her like 10 or 12 of them, and within a couple of days they were sold out, and I have an order to make 7 more already. So go have some fun, create these things. I'd love to see the ones that you make. If you make them, your different sayings. I think I have maybe 7 sayings on here that I just created myself, but it's so simple and easy to do. So go have fun with it and let me see what you guys do. Happy crafting, everybody.